316 Christmas Sublimation, SVG, Cut File Design Bundle for commercial use. This bundle has 316 fully updated, print-ready, and editable design for t-shirt, hoodie, mugs, cap, etc. This unique new bundle helps you to grow your pawn business. What's included in this bundle? Printable PNG files, printable PDF files, editable source, EPS, PSD, files, scalable SVG files. This bundles designs SVG cutting files you can use for clothing printing, vinyl, sublimation, cutting machines like Silhouette and Cricut, and various other software. Christmas T-shirt Design Bundle 3.